Here's Momotaro, Uncle Mo. And yes, he is letting 2 kittens nurse on him at the moment. Here's number 3. I don't ask why. It's sitting in a laundry basket. Basket full of laundry. And 2 kittens are going to town nursing away. And he's just loving on them all. Got a hormone problem, Mo? It's like, oh, I gotta lick. Oh, now he's licking them. Oh, he just loves these babies. Thank you, Mo, for being such a good boy. This is just precious. Hello, baby. You trying to photobomb this there, girlfriend? Aw, that's Lulu. Hello. Oh, right back at it. How sweet.